Welcome to Lydia's kitchen. Today we're gonna make German choco pudding. Enjoy. For this recipe you need milk, cornstarch, sugar, cacao and pinch of salt. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add here milk a little bit. So then I'm gonna add sugar here in this bowl, cacao and cornstarch. Oops, mess a little bit. And then I'm gonna mix this. Remember, the cornstarch always mix in the cold milk, not in the hot milk. So mix this. And add some pinch of salt, almost forgot. Why we add salt when it's choco pudding? For taste, the salt giving something like, I don't know what, but you need to add salt. If you doesn't want to eat salt, then leave it. So I mix this, make sure there's no crumbs, because this mixture gonna go in hot milk and it's gonna be ruined if it's crumbs. So, okay. Okay, you're done with it. Now you're gonna take the pot and you're gonna get milk here. You're gonna add milk there. And then you're gonna put it in the oven. So I put my milk in the oven to reheat it. I put in the 6. When the milk start boiling, I'm gonna put it on 2 and I'm gonna put my chocolate cacao mixture in the milk. And then I'm gonna mix it. I'm sorry if my camera is shaking because I'm holding and taping. So now we're gonna wait till the milk start boiling, then I'm gonna put it on 2 in the low heat. So my milk start about to boil. So when the milk is gonna build the skin, you're just gonna take it out and put it in some cup. So now this cacao mixed, you're gonna put in the milk. And I'm gonna put it right now in 2. So maybe 1.5. So I'm gonna put this, let me put it and then I'm gonna show you because I'm holding my phone and I can't do this. So put the cacao mix here in the milk. And I'm gonna keep mixing so it don't get burned. And how we gonna know it's finished? You're gonna see. I'm gonna show you. Keep mixing. So now you see the cacao mix, the choco pudding start going a little bit thick. So keep mixing about 2 minutes. Keep mixing, don't let it burn. So after it's done, okay, I'll tell you again. After when the milk start a little bit boiling, take the skin out from the milk. Because if you boil the milk's building the skin. Take the milk out and put the cacao mixture in the milk. And put the heat to low heat to 2. Then you're gonna mix it. Keep mixing, don't let it burn. And when it's after it start going a little bit thick like this, you cook about 2 to 3 minutes, but keep mixing. Now the mixture is gonna look like this, you see? Now what you're gonna do, I'll show you. Keep mixing so it don't build skin here too. You're gonna take these cups. I got this in $1 store. They have the lid on. because you need to, after you put the choco pudding here, you need to close it, because if you don't put it, it's gonna build the skin too. So I have 4 cups, jars, and 4 lids. Now I'm gonna, this mixture, the choco pudding, I'm gonna cool down like 10 minutes. And I'm gonna keep mixing a little bit, like every 3 minutes. When it's gonna cool down a little bit after 10 minutes, I'm gonna put it in the jar. So after 10 minutes, the choco pudding a little bit cooled down. Now I'm gonna fill the jars with the choco pudding. Careful. It's okay if you spill. You're gonna clean. So if you ever been in Germany and you try the choco pudding, you're gonna love this. The choco pudding tastes different than here in the States. I kinda don't like it. I like German choco pudding. So, and then we're gonna decorate. I'm gonna show you how. This, like this, like this. My kids love this. Even my husband loved the choco pudding. So a little bit here left. Scrub it out. Okay, it's done. It's a mess. That's okay. Now I'm gonna close this. Remember, you need to close this so the don't build up the skin in the choco pudding. So you close it, and then you let it sit here about 10 minutes. Make sure it's cooled down. Then you're gonna put it in the refrigerator. When it's gonna be cold, you're gonna decorate. I'll show you how. So my choco pudding cooled down. So I'm gonna see now. See? Now what you're gonna do, take the, you can use blueberry, you can use strawberry, any fruit do you like. But I think the strawberry, it's much better. So I'm gonna put it like this. If you don't like fruits, just leave it. Like this. A little bit here. And here. Okay. And now you're just gonna do whipped cream. You can put some cacao powder. Let me get something. So I got here a little bit cacao powder. Just gonna put it like this. So if you like my video, please share, subscribe, and like. And you're gonna love the German chocolate pudding. I'm gonna show you how it's look like. So I'll show you. See? You can see the fruits there. So watch. Let me move this. It's good. It tastes like chocolatey. It's just like real German choco pudding. So thank you for watching and enjoy.